Bitcoin has received a sell signal right here with a correlated move down, and with this, we've had to readjust our charts a little bit to incorporate new data. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Bitcoin and the S&P 500 and what you need to be looking for in anticipation of this continued move down. Follow along because you're not going to want to miss this. Right now, I'm taking you to the TradeConfident.io website, moving straight down to Bitcoin. First up is the Bitcoin Emotional Index here, and we can see that as the price has dropped, we have pushed back down into excited. Now, as the price drops, it's expected that the emotional index will continue to drop as well, and I'd like to see it somewhere in neutral territory before we see any sort of reversals. The Bitcoin Wild Smart Money metric is on its way to reversing its sentiment towards long trades, but we're not quite there yet, with an orange bar still pointing towards short sentiment. While we do expect moves down to continue, it's not until we see the metric value of lower than -600 until we actually see major short trade sentiment in the market. However, we did get that back here, and that's likely partly why the price has moved down. Next up is the Bitcoin Volatility Breakout Detector, and we are still in extreme high volatility after this big move up. We've seen another pretty big move down here, and I don't quite think it's over yet, and with that, I think we may stay in high volatility for a little bit of time. Bitcoin major support and resistance here has found $24,262 to be structure resistance again. Now, there is some structure support right about here that is not shown on this chart, but I will be showing you that in the live chart, so stay tuned. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner here, and as I said, we got a sell signal with a correlated move down. As the price drops, we will be looking for a buy signal to pop again, and once that happens, that's when we expect the next move up in crypto. Now, if you want to get access to all these awesome metrics, I mean, these have helped call the drop that has just happened in the market, as well as many other benefits, including the Inner Circle meeting that is happening tomorrow, February 23rd. Members will be able to join Travis, Josh, and I in a live call, so if you want to get access to that, be sure to click the link in the description below. Just scroll down here, and it's going to be the join membership link. Click that, and you'll see our membership page. I highly recommend the full access membership for $59 a month. It'll give you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics on our website, as well as access to Zoom coaching every single month. Again, the next one is this Thursday, February 23rd. It'll give you access to members only Wisdom Wednesday episodes, in which I'm going to give you tons of information that you need to know about the crypto market, access to scalping trade calls. We should be seeing those pretty soon here, as well as access to the Morning Brew overview. So all you got to do is click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. With that, let's check out the live charts. Right now, I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. The price versus one money flow is in the middle of its chart. The trend exhaustion is in the middle of its chart as well. So this is feeling fairly neutral, but honestly, all this is telling me is that we have more room to move down in this market. The price versus one money flow has ticked down again at this point, and I think we could be seeing those moves down to correlate. Now, we are seeing massive divergence here. The price versus one money flow has been trending down for a very long time, while the market itself has been trending upwards. And most often when that happens, it's when we're going to be seeing sharp drops in the market. Again, we got that sell signal that perfectly correlated to the move down as well, and it caused us to break down out of this ascending triangle pattern. Now, over the past couple of days, I've been mostly talking about situations where we could move up, but it looks like we ended up being rejected at that $25,000 level and have since moved down because of that. Now, as of later today, the FOMC minutes will be released from the last meeting, and this will tell us whether or not the Federal Reserve plans to be more aggressive in their rate hikes. And I think that is actually where this move down is really coming from. On top of that, the S&P 500 here, let me zoom in a little bit, boom, is about to test a major point in the market right here. And Travis and I have been talking here, trying to discuss where we really think the market's going, and at this point, we think that the S&P 500 may actually start continuing to rise back up from this point. And if it does, that will continue the bull market scenario. However, if it breaks down, I don't think that's going to be pretty for the crypto market. Now, before we wrap up the video with price predictions, I have to let you know you can get access to all these indicators, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus one money flow, and trend exhaustion right now. These indicators have been incredible at predicting the market, and with that, let me show you how to grab them. Again, links for this are in the description. Just scroll down, and it's going to be the second link right here. Click that, and it'll bring you to our indicator page. The best possible deal will be to grab the bundle pack, and this includes the trend exhaustion and price versus one money flow, as well as 7 other indicators, and it also includes a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all of them together is cheaper than just purchasing the TC top and bottom finder particular loan. So why not grab all of them? Again, links are in the description. And with that, let's get into the final price predictions. Now, if on the S&P 500, we bounce off of this point right here and the market starts moving up again, I think Bitcoin is going to drop to 23,000 and begin moving back up with the S&P 500. However, if the S&P 500 ends up breaking down below this ascending structure support, I honestly think that'll end up dropping Bitcoin well past $23,000, and I think we could meet structure support right here at $22,000 to meet structure support on this ascending support line on this broadening wedge pattern. Now, those that follow me know that I actually have had my charts recently more like this in a broadening triangle pattern. However, again, Travis and I discussed it, and we found that this was going to be right here. Right here, this broadening wedge pattern was going to be the more accurate pattern. So that's where that data update came from there too. So with that, I'm going to be expecting a move down to about $23,000, or if the S&P 500 breaks farther, it could be as far as $22,000. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.